Hello students, today we will learn about the composite supply and mixed supply. So composite supply means here there will be a supply of two or more taxable goods and services together. So supplier will be supplying the two or more taxable goods and services together which are naturally bundled and cannot be separated. So here two or more taxable goods and services naturally bundled and cannot be separated. So example, goods packed and transported with the insurance. So here goods, packing material and transportation insurance are a composite supply, means these are the supply of two or more taxable goods and services supplied together which are naturally bundled, cannot be separated, means this transportation and insurance cannot be done without goods. So goods is the main principal supply. Without these goods we cannot pack material, we cannot transport, and we cannot take an insurance. So goods is the principal supply here. So these are the goods and services which are naturally bundled, so it cannot be separated, so it is known as composite supply. So here goods is a principal supply, so the tax liability will be the tax rate of the principal supply. So there will be tax rate on goods, packing material, transportation, insurance, different tax rate, but tax liability we have to take on the tax rate of a principal supply. So for the entire goods and services, the tax rate applicable is the tax rate of the principal supply here. Mixed supply. So here two or more goods made together for single price. So here supplier will supply two or more goods for a single price, and it can be supplied separately, not naturally bundled. It is not naturally bundled, means not dependent on any other. So here we can take the example of Diwali gift. So Diwali gift box consisting of canned food, sweets, chocolates, cakes, dry fruits, aerated drinks, fruit juices. So these are the goods and services made together for single price. So in a one box, gift box, it can be supplied. But these goods and services can be supplied separately, means sweets can be sold separately, chocolates can be sold separately, cakes can be sold separately. Likewise, so the items in the Diwali gift box can be sold separate. So this is nothing but mixed supply. So here tax rate applicable is high rated goods. So in this gift box, what is which product has the highest tax rate, that is known as a principal supply. Tax rate of that principal supply will be applicable to entire gift box. So that is about the mixed supply. Now we'll see one of a illustration relating to composite supply and mixed supply. See the one illustration relating to composite supply and mixed supplies. I'll read out the question. Supply of cable and setting the connection. Supply of parcel consisting of wheat powder, masala powder, sugar and rice. Supply of juice in bottle. Supply of ceiling fan and regulator. Supply of cement and paint. Supply of furniture and mat. Supply and fixing of vehicle battery. Supply of combo packs of tie, watch, wallet, pen, writing pad bundled together as a kit. So these are the goods and services given, and different supplies are given. So we have to identify which are composite supply and which are mixed supply. So the first one is supply of cable and setting the connection. So this is nothing but composite supply, means here these are naturally bundled, both cable and the connection. So the connection cannot be done without the cable. So both are composite supply, naturally bundled, cannot be separated. So first one is composite supply. Second one so supply of cable and setting the connection is a composite supply. Second one, supply of parcel consisting of wheat powder, masala powder, sugar and rice. So these are it is nothing but mixed supply. Mixed supply means here these are not naturally bundled. Wheat powder, masala powder, sugar, rice, it can be sold separately. We can purchase wheat powder separately, masala powder separately. So it is mixed supply, it is not naturally bundled. Supply of juice in a bottle. Third one is supply of juice in a bottle. So this is nothing but composite supply. Composite supply means the juice cannot be supplied without a bottle. So it is a composite supply naturally bundled. Supply of ceiling fan and regulator. So this is a composite supply, means the regulator cannot be supplied without ceiling fan, or ceiling fan cannot be supplied without a regulator. So both are naturally bundled, cannot be separated, cannot be supplied separately. Next, supply of cement and paint. So these two products are mixed supply, means cement can be sold separately, paint also can be sold separately. Next, supply of furniture and mat. Here also it is mixed supply. Furniture can be sold separately and mat also can be sold separately. It is not a naturally bundled. Supply and fixing of vehicle battery is a composite supply. Supply and fixing of vehicle battery here. So fixing and the vehicle battery. Without battery we cannot fix it. Without battery we cannot fix it. So it is a composite supply. Next, supply of combo packs of tie, watch, wallet, pen, writing pad, which is bundled together as a kit. So these can be sold separately. Tie can be sold separately, watch, wallet. So it is nothing but mixed supply. So here now write the heading solution. Here two column, one particular and in other column we have to write the nature of supply. So in the particular columns same question you have to write as it is, and in the nature of supply we have to write composite supply or mixed supply. So the first one, supply of cable and setting the connection, is a composite supply. So here you have to write composite supply. Second one, supply of parcel consists of wheat powder, masala powder, sugar and rice, which can be sold separately. So mixed supply. Third one, supply of juice in bottle. So juice and bottle can naturally bundled. So composite supply. Ceiling fan and regulator, composite supply. Cement and paint can be sold separately, so mixed supply. Furniture and mat sold separately, so mixed supply. Fixation and vehicle battery is a composite supply. Combo packs of tie, watch, wallet, pen, these can be sold separately, so mixed supply. So this is about the composite supply and mixed supply illustration. I hope you understood.